Hi folks, sorry it's been so long since I've done a video. I think it's just over a month now. Been very busy with work and been very busy getting the new sort of home office studio built out in my garden so we can move out of the shed. I'm here at the bunker getting ready for the European Heritage Open Day, which is on the 11th of September, and I'm fully booked for it, so I needed to get over and get the grass cut. It has been over a month since I've cut the grass here. It's taken me about half an hour to do all of this. The grass was very long. I've already put about 5 loads from the back of the lawnmower in, and I've still got all this to do. And you can see that's a little bit where I've cut, and then this is the length here. Generally these bits are the worst around the edges. You can see I've got a big nettle bush to cut out there. Over there is pretty long, so yeah, it is very long. We've had a lot of warm weather mixed in with a good bit of rain, so yeah, optimal growing conditions. So yeah, I've done this bit. This was reasonably challenging. What I have to do is as I cut it, I'll show you here, this is the lawnmower is currently on the highest setting, and what I have to do as I cut it, I have to sort of cut it like that, do a first pass with the lawnmower tilted, and then drop the lawnmower down and do a second pass to finish it. So yeah, pretty challenging, quite time consuming, but yeah, I have to do it. I have to get the grass cut, and I'll probably have to cut it again next weekend anyway, just to take any 7-day growth off it, which I'm sure there'll be a bit because of the way the weather is at the moment. So yeah, it's going to take me, I'd say, about another 45 minutes, maybe to an hour, to get all this cut, and then I'll have to go around the edges with a strimmer and tidy all those up, and then obviously pull all these nettles out. So yeah, get to do this wee light aircraft somewhere. I can't actually see it, it's up in the clouds somewhere, but yeah, so back to work. Okay, this is a part that I have sort of first cut. So tilt the lawnmower back, do this first cut, so I've just done it to here. So do that first bit, and then this is the bit that I've done so far. You can see I've got to go over that bit again, but this bit was pretty long, and there's a lot of nettles there, but I'm getting there. So yeah, I'd say another 20 minutes or so, and I should have this bit done. But yeah, I always say to myself, never let it get this long, and then I sort of forget. But and this is my reward for doing that. So I've done all these trimming, and with a knife. I didn't have a shovel with me, so with a knife I've actually cut down the I noticed the grass was growing onto the pathway, and I'd lost loads of the path, so I got a knife and cut right the way down, and actually took off quite a lot. There was I'd say it was about 3 inches of grass. It'd probably grown out to about here in a line right the way up, so I cut that right out. The other side was okay, so that looks a lot tidier, and the path is a bit bigger now, which is good. I just had noticed over the last couple of months that the path was getting smaller and smaller, but it's dead on now. I've trimmed all around the edges, and just have to go around the lawnmower one more time just to take up all those loose bits of grass, and then I just have to cut around this aerial anchor point. That's for the mast. So there's one there to anchor the guy ropes to. There's one in the undergrowth over there. There's the mast itself, and then there's another one over here, and that anchors the mast when it's up. Stops it blowing over in the wind, and then I've bought a new table for my displays. That's going to go into the shed. So yeah, nearly done. Not much more to do, and then I can go home and get some dinner. And there we go, all done. That probably took about an hour and a half, 2 hours, but it was well worth it, because the compound is really clean now, and it's all ready for the open day. I might have to come up maybe a couple of days before the 11th of September and just go over the grass once more. But all the path and everything's done now, and all the edging won't need to be done again. But yeah, below ground is ready to go. All the electrics and what have you that you've seen me do over the last couple of months, they're all ready. My new table is in the shed ready to go, so that means I have 3 display tables for the open day, so I can bring more equipment to show above ground. So that's all ready to rock. But yeah, if you're watching this, I'm probably only home about an hour and uploaded this, so I thought what I'd do is I'll upload 2 videos this week, just because I haven't uploaded in so long. So there'll be this video today, Sunday, and then I will be uploading a review video on Wednesday. So yeah, well, that's that. Listen folks, as always, thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.